welcome to this platform today, and this is the platform where we share tips, not only that but also profitable strategies. So here I come today to show you a particular strategy, alright, and we are going to need only 3 indicators, and this strategy is suitable for the time frame of 5, as you can see up here. This is XAU USD, and as well this particular strategy works for Euro USD, Pound USD, USD Chef, and USD JPY. Only 4 of them. I'm only using these particular instruments to do the strategy. Alright, and from here now, what is next is to go to the indicators that we are going to use. So normally before we have the F icon, but F is no longer there, so we have this. That is what we tap. When I tap it, it brings us to where we have the indicators all. So we tap this F here, and when we tap it, it gives us the indicators, as you can see. But what we need right from here is the moving average. That is it there. So I'll tap on it, and this is what I used previously for the overall trend. So I want to change it now to 5. I want to change it to 5. Alright, and I change it to 5. I leave that for shift, and this input is going to be exponential close and 3 pixel. I'll change the color to green, and that's all. So you click on done right here. When I tap done, I'll have something like this on the chart. You can see the green, this green color here. Alright, then after that I want to add another EMA, so I go to the same place that I tapped recently, and also you come to this F again. When you tap the F, we are going to moving average again. You tap it, and now you edit this to be 10 this time around. Then after that, 0 shift exponential close. Then I change this color now to blue. Right, after that click on done, and this is what we have on the screen. Just don't mind this one. It is the 150 EMA that I put for overall trend. Alright, so after we have this on the main chart, we now want to set up another one, which is a stochastic. So I go to the icon again, and I'm going to tap the F again. When I tap the F, I'm looking for stochastic this time around, and here it is. I tap it, and I make this 15. That is the K percent. I make it 15. D period 33, others, everything remain the same as it is. Everything remains the same as it is. So I come to this pencil icon. Already I have it here, but I have to show you that we are going to have the levels to be 20, and then 20 is for oversold, and 80 is for overbought. The levels we are going to use to determine the entry. Then after everything, you click on done, and here we have the stochastic. Alright, then after the stochastic there, we still have one more to add. So I want to minimize this a bit, so I hold the screen still, then I come to this 0 there and draw it a bit downward. Very good. Then you tap the screen again. So I go to the previous icon. Now I want to add RSI. So you come to this again to create to set up the RSI now. Here it is, RSI. That is what we want to use now. Then when I tap it, we have this as this, and nothing is going to be changed there. The pixel, make it 2. Okay, yes, the level. I want to change the level. When you click the pencil icon, we have 50 already, but I want to add more. We are going to need 3 levels. So I tap on this plus icon. If you want to delete anything, you come to this delete. Alright, so I want to add, I will add 2 more. So this first one is going to be 30, 30. The second one is going to be 50, and the third one is going to be 70. Going to be 70. Then after that, it's all done. So because I have a dark screen, I will let this one to be white so that everything will be shown there clearly. But if you have white, it's better you put on gray or black. Alright, so after the whole thing there, you click this arrow back to go to the previous, and you click on done. Tap done. Alright, so when I tap done, we have the screen to look like this. Alright, so now here comes the instruction, which is very important. Listen to the instruction very carefully. It is very important. Previously I said we are going to use 5-minute time frame, and also the pairs Euro USD, Pound USD, USD Chef, and USD JPY. Only for the 4. At least 4 should be okay for you to be trading, instead of having like 15 that you'll be going here and there for analysis. So this is okay. Now here comes the instruction. Let's assume that we are going long. Going long means to buy. Alright, so if you want to buy, what you look for is this is what you look for. The first confirmation goes to the main chart. You are looking for a crossover of the moving averages 5 and 10. And 5 on this screen is the green color, and the 10 is the blue color. So you will now see the green crossing the blue uptrend. That is confirmation number 1 that you want to go long to buy. And here we have it. This is the cross here. And the next one is you go to the stochastic. When you go to the stochastic, you want the stochastic also to cross upward, but not touching the overbought area. As you can see, the overbought, this is the overbought area, this 80. But you are going to check, you use your crosshair, that plus icon that has something moving. I'll show you now. So let me use the arrow. Let me use the arrow so that it will be pretty cool to identify. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. Here we have the crossover. Alright, that is the crossover there. And you come to the stochastic, and you enter when you see the stochastic not yet touching the, when the stochastic is not touching yet the, sorry for that. Yes, so you can see this particular area here. Alright, you can see, you make sure that when you have the cross up there on the main chart, green above the blue, then you check the stochastic there, You can see almost touching this dash 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 line. You can see this line here, almost touching it. That is another one. Then the next one is you make sure that this RSI as well, the RSI as well crosses over this 50 level, as you can see. So those are the three confirmations for you to go long. All right, confirmations for you to go long. Now if you want to enter this trade now, I will advise you wait for a close of the candle above the cross lines here. The cross lines here, you wait for a close of the candle. So when you look at the point of my arrow on this area now, you see that it points at where the candle where a candle, the green candle closed there and another one opens. So on the opening of another candle there, which is this area, that is where you enter. So you can see we have three confirmations. This is above the 50, this is almost touching, and as well this crossover that we have here. So once you have these three confirmations, you are ready to go long. So you go long. How do you now know the exits? Knowing your exit is when you look at the previous. As you can see that thing is still going. When you don't see the stochastic coming down to this area, you don't exit yet. All right, so we have different ways, but I will show you two ways to exit the trade. One is you look at your left here. Look at your left. That is the previous swing high. All right, so when you look at there, it means you have to exit somewhere around there. So that should be enough for you. Then you wait for the market to do whatever it wants to do before you know whether you are to enter again to go long or to continue the trend. So that is that about going long. Now let's look at going short. If you want to go short, we need a crossover as well. And when you look at it, we have one here. Let me pick the arrow. We have one here. This is the crossover there, right? And here on the stochastic, we have as well here. It's not touching the line yet, as you can see. It's not touching the line yet, that area. And also, when you check the RSI as well, you have it around here. This is where it crossed the line. So we have these three confirmations on the same, as you can see. So that is another confirmation for going short. The way you'll be checking on the four instruments, and make sure you're using 5-minute time frame. So I hope this is insightful. If you are watching this video for the first time on this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel. And as well, if you're already a subscriber, kindly share the link. And also the person that is just joining for the first time, subscribing for the first time, kindly share the link to the channel to people out there, and also click on the like button if the video helps you. And as well, I've already created a kind of platform on Telegram. Also we have WhatsApp. We normally have tips there as well, and discussion on what you need to know or what you want to know in trading. And also we have daily setups, or when we have the opportunities around, we do send signals there as well, both on currency pairs and synthetic indices, that is boom and crash and all others. So thank you for being there, and I'm going to put the link or put the Telegram channel on the screen attached to this video, so you subscribe, and I'll be waiting for you to have discussion with you on any issue you have as pertaining trading. Thank you for being there. Have a nice day.